Hello everyone and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best pool accessories on the market, the pool fountain for above and in-ground pools by SUMMERBUDDY. If you're looking to keep your pool cool and add a touch of elegance, this might just be the perfect addition to your summer setup. This pool fountain is designed to enhance your pool experience with its adjustable dual spray waterfall feature. Whether you have an above-ground or in-ground pool, this fountain promises to deliver both aesthetic appeal and functional cooling. Let's talk about what makes this fountain stand out. It attaches directly to your pool's pump return outlet, making installation a breeze. The dual spray design offers a more dynamic water display compared to traditional single spray fountains. You can adjust the waterfall direction and height by simply rotating the riser pipe, allowing for customization based on your pool setup and personal preference. Many users have reported a significant decrease in water temperature by as much as 6 to 10 degrees Fahrenheit. This not only enhances comfort but also extends the usability of your pool during hot summer days. Installing the pool fountain is straightforward. You'll need to turn off your pool pump, unscrew the jet nozzle, attach the fountain, and adjust the water flow and direction. Detailed instructions are included to guide you through the process. Depending on your pool pump's capacity, the fountain can achieve impressive results. It's recommended to use a pump with at least 0.2 horsepower for optimal performance. Users have praised the fountain for its ease of assembly, sturdy build, and value for money. It's received high ratings across the board for being easy to install and providing effective cooling. In conclusion, the pool fountain for above and in-ground pools by SUMMERBUDDY is a fantastic addition to any pool owner's arsenal. It not only cools the water effectively but also adds a visual element that enhances the ambiance of your pool area. If you're interested in upgrading your pool experience this summer, I've included a link in the description below where you can find more details and purchase this product. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews like this one. Thank you for watching today's video. If you have any questions or if you've used this product yourself, feel free to leave a comment. Until next time, stay cool and enjoy your pool.